It's time to say goodbye to expensive salon visits and say hello to gorgeous, long-lasting nails that you can do at home for a fraction of the cost. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Keisha if you guys are new here. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys a step-by-step tutorial using the Salon X-TEND LED soft gel system. As you can see, I went for a classic French tip. You guys know me, I love a good French tip. French tips can be expensive, so I know like the salons that I go to, a classic French tip can literally cost $70 to $90. But you get this for a fraction of the cost, like literally $22.99 at most stores. It is such a game changer. It's so inexpensive and you can literally do your nails at home in literally 10 to 15 minutes. So you don't have to go to the nail salon just to get that professional nail look. I feel like KISS really did that with these nails and I'm excited for you guys to see how easy this was. If you guys are wanting to try this kit or you just want to up your nail game, then you've come to the right place. I will be sharing with you guys my tips and tricks on how I achieve these beautiful nails. Make sure to like this video if you guys enjoy it and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. But let's just go ahead and jump right into this video. Thank you so much to KISS for partnering up with me on today's video. I've got 5 kits to show you guys, starting off with these 2 starter kits, a classic French tip in a natural solid pink. I highly recommend these starter kits because they have everything you need. And then I've got these 3 individual kits, an ombre creamy pink and a solid lilac and blue color. These colors are perfect for the summertime, but you guys already know I had to go for a classic French tip. So the starter kits have a quick and simple 4-step application and you have everything you need. Inside you'll find your essential tools, the soft gel adhesive, LED lamp with its cord, and of course a variety of nail sizes to ensure you have the perfect fit. So in this bag you'll find your supplies, which include a nail file, a manicure stick, a prep pad, and detailed instructions, which were so straightforward and easy to follow. So I'm just going to go ahead and set up my lamp and get comfortable so we can go ahead and transform our nails. Here's a quick before of my nails. I definitely had a lot of prepping and cleaning up to do. So I'm going to start off by finding the correct extension size for each nail. If you find you're in between sizes, I recommend sizing down, that way you don't have to file as much and you can just tweak it a little so that the process is a lot quicker. Firstly, I'm going to make sure we have no leftover gel or nail product on our nails. So I'm going to go ahead with some acetone remover and just start removing anything left on my nails. Now to begin the prep, I'm going to go ahead and use the manicure stick provided and start pushing back my cuticles. We want to make sure that we're taking our time with this and really prepping our nails. I also feel like when you push back your cuticles, it kind of gives you the appearance of longer nails and it helps with maintaining your cuticles to be as healthy and look as seamless as possible. And if you do have a pair of cuticle trimmers, then also cleaning up the cuticles by removing any extra skin around the nail to ensure that your nails look as fresh and as new as possible. Now, once the cuticles look nice and refreshed, I'm gonna go in with my nail clippers. You can also use the nail file that was provided to file down the length, and this is going to ensure that our natural nail fits and attaches better on the extensions. Now I'm gonna go in with the nail file and I'll be using the coarse side, which is the black side, and I'm just gonna file the sides of the nail. That way there's no pieces sticking out from under the extensions. And then I'm going to go in with the fine side of the file, which is the pink side, and I'm going to lightly buff the entire nail surface. This step is crucial in order to remove any oil, and it's going to ensure that the adhesive sticks really well onto your natural nails. So once we complete that, I'm going to go ahead and clean and dehydrate the nail surface by using the prep pad. This will get rid of any oils or product that's left on the nails. This step is very important to ensure that the nails last longer and the adhesive can stick to that nail surface properly. While I let the alcohol dry, I'm going to start shaping each individual nail extension to my fingernail shape. Now each nail can be shaped a little bit different, so it's important to customize each shape of extension so that we can create a flawless and quality result and also make your nails look as professional as possible. So once I've shaped all the extensions, I'm going to go in with the soft gel adhesive, and each extension has a numbered circle to guide you with the correct placement and the correct amount of gel. Then after adding the gel to the nail, we're going to flash cure for 5 to 7 seconds before cleaning up any mistakes around the nails. And then we're going to cure it again, but for 1 to 2 minutes until it's fully cured. And I also flip my finger over to cure that side as well. I feel like this was always one of the trickier steps when applying nails. We didn't really know exactly how much gel adhesive to add on, and KISS really came through and made it easy for us to apply these extensions. Then I'm going to move on to the next nail, repeating all of those steps until all 5 nails are complete. At this point, I was very impressed with how quick and easy this whole application was. Once my first hand is complete, I will go ahead and start filing each nail shape. And because these are pre-sculpted, meaning they are already shaped and ready to go, I personally like to go in and customize it even more. Almond shapes to me, I find can be a little tricky. This step is of course optional and up to you, so you can take however long you need. I like to do one hand at a time. I feel like this is the easiest way to do it. That way you can really perfect each hand without the other nails getting in the way. Once I begin filing the next hand, I like to compare the shape, especially when I'm filing, because that way I can really make sure they both match. I'm going to finish off with some cuticle oil, and we're going to add that hydration back into our nails, and this is also going to bring in the whole look together. I absolutely love how these nails turned out. It was so easy and barely took any time. KISS wasn't lying when they said Salon X-TEND, because this is giving salon nails at home. Very happy with how these turned out, and I highly recommend. All right, guys, that is the end of today's video. Let me know what you guys think about these beautiful nails. I will make sure to have everything linked down below for you guys. This kit was such a game changer. I mean, these last up to 14 days, so you cannot go wrong for getting your nails done for an affordable product like this that literally give you that salon quality result. I am absolutely obsessed, and thank you so much to KISS for partnering up with me on today's video. So you guys can check them out for yourselves. Definitely give them a try and let me know in the comments down below. But anyways, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you do want to see any more videos from me, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.